Sis Issa Wig.
This waiting round is killing me. She drives me crazy like no one else. She drives me.
Blessed. Glow sister 2018, you're going to glow. No more ashy. No more ashy face. I feel like Tina Turner. It's not my hair, it's my wig. So you can use this style, use a turban. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Kemunto and today I'm going to do one tutorial what I have in my hair. Okay, let me stand a bit back for you to see. So this is what I have in my hair and I've been loving. So this one is an afro hair. It's 20 centimeters and it's a friend is selling them. So if you want to know where I got this afro, stick around or DM me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Okay, so I had previously like matutas plates, like I don't know what I call them, but I had braided my hair yesterday. So the hair comes like so it comes with 2 hooks and this one takes 2 combs. When you have 2 combs like this is my first time having. I'm gonna just place it up here and try and show you as much as possible. You have a kitamba for that. What I'm going to do, it's just a long kitamba. My mom gave it to me. So what I'm going to do, you see that? I'm going to it's like here. I'm going to do like this. Wow. We have a hairstyle. We have a hairstyle. Elf one hairstyle, chingnon hairstyle. They have other styles, but I wanted chingnon is like you put it in a bun or something. It's a FAUX afro in short. So the company is Dream Hair and Stalk. I have a friend who brought it for me. So the wig is $30. That's 3,000 Kenyan shillings. So it comes like this, and let me tell you guys, and the hair feels like my normal texture. Yeah, the hair is so big it can fit the whole head, and you have these straps here, these combs. So this is my first wig purchase. It has 2 combs. Can you see? The whole head can like extend. I'm so lazy as fuck with my natural hair currently. So as you can see, these parts are already mud. So what I'm creation, blessed is our Lord and those matrutas. I eat matruta. After I've done that, I'm going to moisturize my hair. Moisturize my hair. Guys, after I've done that, I don't want it to be like, I want it to be curly. My hair is the kinkiest factory thing ever. Now my hair is the kinky, like it's so hard, like I can't even explain it. You'll see what I'm saying. So this gel has been going. I've already put water on it, so I'm gonna try this got to be glue. You sprinkle some water on your toothbrush, and then here I have this amount of glue. Now let's see if this gel is going to work with me. I want you to see everything. So, oh my god. Oh my god! Bear in mind, my hair is the kinkiest, hardest, so much hair that you'll ever see in your life. So it looks like I'm trying. This is why I can never have slayed edges. Can you see it? This is why I can never have slayed edges. Oh my god. Like, oh my god. Like I'm the African. Like my hair tells you like straight away I'm from Africa. Nothing I do to this hair. Oh my god, I really hope you're seeing this. Oh my god, my hair is the kinkiest of all hairs. So I'm gonna try and lay the edges. This is why I don't lay my edges, because I know it's a complete waste of time. I'm gonna use the same. Lay these edges. If my edges have been slayed. Okay? Nothing. It's not the product, it's my hair. Mostly, but it's okay. Moving on. Done that. This is what I'll do. I'll try and pick it up. Yeah. This isn't an afro. Oh my god, my edges have been slayed. Let me know if you can see my edges have been slayed. And I think you have yourself an AFRO girl. And you can see my hair complements it. So that's my afro. Not a hair, it's a wig. Sis, it's a wig. My wig got snatched. I told you 2018 we are going to get our faces and our hairs snatched. 2018, and that's my two hairstyles that I'll be rocking in 2018. Two hairstyles. I think this is large. Yeah, it's large because it can probably fill all my head ear up to here, and I've been getting requests on how I got this hair, all that good stuff. Just DM me at Kemunto Bear 2016, or Snapchat me at Jojo Kemunto, and I'll tell you all the details of how you can get this FAUX Afro hair shampoo, and also conditioning with the same hair oil conditioner and shea butter conditioner. It has really made my hair to feel soft, and they are my current favorite hair product that I've been using.